Today we are going to solve add two numbers problem from the Leetcode. I have solved this problem before, but just for the practice I am solving it again. I recently started learning Go programming language and I like solving problems in order to get better at a programming language. So this is such a problem which can be used for understanding Go pointers and stuff like that. Here they give two numbers and we have to return sum of those two numbers in form of a new linked list. So 2 plus 5 becomes 7, 4 plus 6 becomes 10, and 0 and 1 will be carried to the next sum. Similar to that, we have to compute the sum and return a new linked list. Only thing that we have to worry here in this problem is whenever a sum exceeds 10, there will be a carry and we have to take care of that carry. Uh, let's write the solution in Go. Let's check some sanity checks. Let's add some sanity checks. If both the lists are empty, then we don't have to do anything. We can just return a nil pointer. And let's do another check. If only L1 is empty, then at that point we can directly return L2. If L2 is empty, L2 is nil, then we can return L1. These are some sanity checks on the lists which are passed over function. And now we can go for a for loop while L1 is not equal to nil or L2 not equal to nil. That means either L1 or L2 is having some data which needs to be used for sum. Let's declare some variables which are going to be useful. Let's say current sum as 0 and let's declare carry and initialize it to 0. And one more thing that we need is let's create a dummy head for our linked list. So what we are going to do is dummy head will be a pointer of type list node. The value doesn't matter, and next pointer will be initially it will be pointing to a null node. Next pointer of the dummy head. And then we also need a current node. I'm going to assign it to dummy head because we will be keep on adding new nodes next to this node. Now either L1 or L2 has some data. Let's go for the first case. If L1 is not equal to nil and L2 is not equal to nil, this means both L1 and L2 are pointing to valid nodes in linked list. So the current sum will be equal to L1 value plus value which is present in L2 plus carry. This is not the case. What is possible? If only L1 is pointing to a valid node. If this is the case, then current sum becomes L1 dot value plus carry. Otherwise, current sum will be calculated from the value which is present in L2 plus carry. Now we have current sum. We just have to check if current sum is greater than or equal to 10. If this is the case, then let's also use a variable named current node value. It will be of type int and current node value. That is, if you get a sum of 15, let's say we add 9 plus 6 and we get 15. So current node value will be 5, 1 will be a carry. So that will be equal to current node value will be equal to current sum modulo 10 and carry will be set to 1. Otherwise, what we are going to do is current node value will be equal to current sum and carry will be 0. Now we have current node value. We just have to create a node and add it at the next to our current node. Current node dot next will be capital will be equal to, we are going to create a new list node which will have current node value and next node will be nil. I think we forgot one thing while implementing the solution. We have to move these pointers to next. So we accessed elements from L1 and L2. We will move these pointers to next. Otherwise, the solution will run in inside our forever loop. Here we have to move the L1 pointer, and here we have to move L2 pointer. And now we also have to move the current node. Current node will be equal to current node dot next. And after doing all of these things right, there is also possible that at the end we get a carry. So that case we have to take care. If carry is 1, we will do the same thing. But current node value, instead of this, since we are doing it for carry, this will be 1. So after that, after doing all the things, we are going to return dummy head dot next. Let's run this solution and check whether it passes the initial test cases. There may be some syntax errors or typos. Let's debug those as well. We missed a comma here. Let's run this solution again and check whether it passes the initial test cases. Okay, we have another typo. N should be capital. Okay, here we have, okay, if we have a non-zero carry, then we have to create a new node. Okay, initial test cases are passing. Let's submit this solution and check whether it passes all the test cases. Yes, as you can see here, this solution is passing all the test cases. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new related to either linked list or programming in Go. Thanks for watching this video.